Good morning. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. If you see this, it's official. So, I am making tags. I don't have a lot of time to craft today, and I know I'm going to make a journal, so I'm just making some tags that I'm going to use in that journal, or it can be a tag for a card. Instead of using a card, just give them a tag. And I wanted to show you, and I was going to make the third one, and I thought, I could do it with you. So the tag is paper and lace and glue gun. Yes, it's glue gun chronicle time almost. I am back to wanting to play with lace. So let me show you. First, let me show you my tag. My tag is an Anna Griffin tag, and it goes to, oh, I'm not really prepared, am I? Don't you know what it goes to? It is an Anna tag, and it goes to making, I think, the stand-up card. And I just do not see the whole thing here. I don't know why. Okay. If I find it, I'll put it in the notes. But I like this tag. I have a lot of tags, and I don't know why, but that's a hot mess. I need to replace it. I have extra. But I like the size. I like everything about this tag. And it actually goes to a card that slides up. Anyway, so I'm going to use that tag. And I used this paper collection, China Cabinet Paper Crafting Kit. And the it has the 12 by 12, 5 by 7. It has sentiments. It has all kind of goodies, flowers. So it was easy to make. So let me show you my first one. And this was a 5 by 7, and I just used the tag and cut it out. And that's the back of it. Don't have to put another piece of paper. So what I like about it is it has a pocket. See, that paper is pink. It's so pretty. And if you look on the back, this matches the back. So, and I made a pocket. And so if I gift this away, these are stickers and an embellishments. So I like that idea. And then I have the little sewing machine right here. And it's just a simple little tag. I love it. So then my next tag, and I thought, if I do need to give it away, this says thankful for you. You could put it there or right here, or just see this. And this one says happy birthday. You could put it right here, or if you wanted contrasting colors, pink and green always go well together. So yeah. So anyway, there's the one, and then here's my second one, and here's the back, and here it is. And so let's take out what I put in is a Anna Griffin. This is a tray and a cup and a spoon and a napkin. And so isn't that cute to put inside the little pocket? So here's the tag, and it's got a little heart. And I don't know if the colors are, because I don't know if the colors are coming out. My lighting is always something. It's either too bright or not bright enough. But anyway, you could put it in there. But making a journal, and you could just stick that in there when you don't have time to craft for 4 or 5 hours straight and you only have 30 minutes, this goes very fast. So, and then I thought, because this is green, that would look really pretty right there, that sentiment. But I'm holding these out. I may just stick them in there because I'm just not sure which one I'm going to use. So let's put these off to the side and let's make one. Okay? So, alright. So I picked out one more sheet of 5 by 7 from that collection, and it's got a blue tint on this. So let's get the tag, and I'll show you how I line it up. And I could do center and have paper on each side, but I just put it to the side here and have just a little bit showing as a hair on a hair. I don't know what strip I could use this for, but anyway. So let me put this through my machine. Can you hear that? You have all this paper, and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to start using what I have. But, you know, I don't know if you would. I have spoon dies that could fit that. I could make spoons with this. But, you know, you can't save everything. But anyway, so I'm still wondering where the rest of this is, because my mind is, where is it? I don't like losing anything. So, okay. Now, you know, I'm going to lace this up. Now I don't even know what lace I'm going to use because I was just making it and then said, wait, let me do this live. Blue. So I have a stash of tea dyed I did. There might be some avocado in there. And then I have a stash of white. So let me see what I want to use. And I'll pull some stuff out. I'm sorry I'm not prepared. But this is what we do. So this is just where I had linen in its different sizes and I ripped it, and that's how I got this right here. It's just linen. And there goes my lighting. Let me see if I can fix that before I give up on this video. I think I'm going to apply that and say okay. I think we can see each other a little better, but I don't understand what's going on with my videos. So I'm going to just cut off enough to make a tie and throw that back. So when you rip linen, you know, there you go. So that'll be easy to put there. I like this to be down here as a pocket. You don't have to do a pocket, but before we do a pocket, let's put something else on. But I know I'm going to need about that much. And this is just snipping, you know, just leftovers. So I'll trim that. Let's see, what else can I grab? I'm just grabbing stuff. So, well, this is a pretty piece, isn't it? That would look really nice right there. Wonder if I could just make a pocket out of this. Or just half. I think I'm only going to use half. So you see how it can be one piece, but if you cut it down the middle and just use half of it, and let's see what we get out of it. You know? And that would look really pretty. Let me see which way is the right way. That's the back. So I am going to trim some of this away, the netting, not a lot. Okay, so if I put that there, that's really pretty. And if I put this here, so let me put this here first. So what I do is I'm going to do the bottom. Yes, you can use paper and hot glue, just a little bit, and I'm going to put it right there. And now do the sides. How high up does it go? It goes to here. Okay, so now to get this straight, I'm going to pull on it when I glue it, and then it will get some of those wrinkles out. And I tried to wear this, and I ended up feeling like it's a band-aid, and I was using all my other fingers, so I end up doing it this way. It feels the best for me. So now let's just trim this. These are my Anna Griffin scissors that came with this mat that you can see. And thank goodness I had new scissors for material. So I'm only using this for material. And all my other scissors are so messed up. So here is a pocket. So, you know, that's very nice. So let's put this on. How do we want to put it? I love that angle. I think that's pretty. So, because there's so much, let's just dab it in a couple of paces to get it started. And then we'll glue the rest down. So, let's glue it down. And this is where it's now the glue is stuck to my fingers. This is where this does work better. So I want to get that glued down underneath that pocket so that it won't snag. And then let's just put a little bit of glue on here. I'm trying to rush because I'm making the video, but when you're making it, just take your time and it'll all work out. So let me add a little bit more glue here. Okay, and let's trim this off. And it doesn't have to be too much. I don't like adding 15 layers. It's beautiful, but in my mind, I'm like, you just covered up 5, 10 layers you can't see. So I can't do it. I wish I could. So here is that. If we add, let's turn this together. I got glue stuck on me still. We add this in here. It gives it some more texture, paper and material texture. There you go. And we have this right here, but let's do a different color. Everything seems to be all one color. Let me see if I can find something in the white section that I can change the color up. I'm just pulling out what I have. I haven't messed with lace in a few years, so, oh, this is nice. I haven't messed with my lace in a few years, so to see what I have is fun. Okay, so we're going to use this, and I'm going to just cut it right here. And this is what it is. And since that's a pocket, I need to get a piece of paper or something so it won't glue to the cardboard. So I'm going to have to stick a piece of paper in here because I don't want it to glue to the tag. I only want it to glue to the material. So, and let me tell you, when I put my scissors with the lace, it actually matches the lace and I lose them all the time. So let's put a little glue to get it started right about there, and let's put little bits on the biggest leaves we have. It's not going to be all glued down. It's going to have a little bit of movement. So there you go. That saved that. And I got glue everywhere. Okay, so now I got this from Amazon. I think there are 500 of the little paper clip. No, they're not paper clip. What are they? They are Oh my gosh. Johnny, what are these called? Do you remember? I can't remember. You've probably never seen those kind. You know when they would do the baby's diaper? Diaper pins or pins. So I got this at Daiso years ago. I never used it. And I bought it for $1. And look, I'm using them now. Isn't that something? So let's use the Eiffel Tower. And that way, you know, I feel bad that I haven't been using this stuff. It's almost like Christmas again. Safety pins. These are some type of safety pin, I think. So where do we want to hang this? Do we want to hang it through here? I think so. So the safety pins I got from Amazon, and I think they were like $5 for all of them, and that'll take me forever to use. So anyway, so now let's just add a couple of Anna Griffin embellishments to go inside that pocket, so that if I gift it or I put happy birthday, it will all work out. So let's see, I don't know if I like that right there. I may dangle that from this has got a hole in the lace. I'll dangle it from right here maybe. I might move it 3 different times. But look how cute, simple, and fast that was to prep. So me prepping for junk journals or whatever, I really am enjoying just goofing off. Now, so there's the sewing machine, there's the heart, and then there's the Eiffel Tower. I hope that you like this. All my links are down below. I hope that you all have a blessed day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.